Good morning, students. Hope all of you are good. It is a myth in most of your minds that math is a boring subject. It is a tedious subject. But if I'm talking about it is a boring subject, yes, it may be boring if you don't know how to, if you don't know how the number is moving, if you don't know what to do now with these numbers. But it is not a boring subject. If you see that only math is a subject where numbers are very less, only 0 to 9, all the math is depends on only on these numbers. Okay, now if you know what exactly we need to do with these numbers, you are very good in this math. Actually math is a games period. Okay, if you are good and if you are able to catch what to do with these numbers, then it is not a boring subject. You will enjoy. Okay, and some of you also know that how most of you are enjoying these subjects. Okay, so let's check how can we identify what to do, what we need to do with these numbers. Here we will check.
Start.
Before starting the chapter A Trip to Bhopal, today we are going to see these questions. Very easy question. Here you need to use your minds. Okay. Actually, in maths, each and every time you need to use your mind, because math is a rational subject. Now we will see first question. What numbers can you make using digits 2, 8, 5? Here are 3 digits, 2, 8, 5s. What numbers? Means how many numbers can you make using these digits? And here is one guidelines: do not repeat the digit. We need not to repeat this 3 digit again and again. One thing is clear, that we have to use these 3 digits. Okay, and we have to make numbers. Okay, tell me first number what we can make with the help of this 3 digits. And we do not repeat these digits. It means only we 3 digit number we can make with the help of this digit and without repeating this digit. So first digit first number may be, tell me fast. Yes, 285. Now second digit what we can make, 258. Only just changing these positions to 58. We have to use one by one. Now third number what we can make, 825. Fourth number you can make, you can tell me what I am going to write. Any idea? Yes, only changing these 2 numbers place, 852. Now third number, next number, yes, in 100 place I didn't take 5, so now I will take 5, 528. Okay, now second number, next number what I am going to make, yes, only changing this tens and 100 place, 582. Is it easy or difficult? Only these numbers, only these 6 numbers we can make. So what I did with how I write these numbers on 100 place. There are 3 digits na, 285. One by one I took these 3 digits. First I took 2, but here I can change, replace these numbers na with their places. Again I took 8 and again I changed their places. Again I took the third digit 5 and then again I changed their places. In this way, how many number? 6 numbers we can make using the digits. Okay, here I can write 6 numbers. How many numbers? 6 numbers I can make using the digits. Now, first question over. May I rub this? Okay. Now, second number. Second question. This all question are the part of first question. How many numbers you made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers? 6. Okay. How many numbers you made? 6 numbers I made. Write the greatest and the smallest number you made. Okay. Now tell me which one is the greatest? Which one is the greatest? 285? No. 852. Very good. 852 is the greatest number. And which one is the smallest number? Tell me. Yes, 258. As you can see that you know what to do with this number. So it is very easy for you to answer these questions. Okay. Only math is boring when you don't know what to do now. What to do with this number. If you know what to do, then it is very easy. So greatest number is 852 and smallest number is 258. Okay. Now what is the sum and difference of the greatest and smallest numbers? All of you know how to add and how to subtract. Now add 852 plus 258. Question understood? We have to find the sum of greatest and smallest number. Greatest number is this and smallest number is this. We have to find the sum. So what we will do? We just add them. Okay, we simply add them. So 8 plus 2 10, 5 5 10 plus 1 11, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. So what is the sum? 11 10. Now in this question difference of the greatest and smallest number asked. So 852, this is the greatest number and smallest number 258. We have to just find the difference. So we can't subtract 8 from 2. So we will borrow 1. So it will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Now we can't subtract 5 from 4. Again we will borrow 1. So it will become 14. 14 minus 5, 9. It will become 7. 7 minus 2, yes, 5. If you know addition and subtraction, then it is easy for you. And all of you know addition and subtraction. You only trap in this statement. If you read carefully, it is very easy for you to move these numbers. Okay? Hope all of you understand this question. Now we will come to the topic, a trip to Bhopal.
Start.
Now we will come to that topic. Hope you enjoyed that questions. I think now from today onwards you will not say that math is a boring subject. Okay? Will you say? Okay. Now last time we learned that Sugandha is going for a trip. Her school make a plan for going to a trip and they are going to Bhopal. They booked some buses. In one bus is only 50 children can sit and there are 210 children. So in 4 buses 200 children can sit. So what about 10 children? 10 children left without seats, na? So for 10 children we can't book another bus. They can share one boy, 2 boys can share 1 seat. Okay, they can share. So need not to book another bus for at least 10 children. Okay, but on that trip day, what happened? Driver came with mini buses. All the buses are booked. they don't have buses, big buses. They came with mini buses. Okay, can you tell me what is the difference between buses and mini buses? Look, if this is a bus, okay, this is a bus, then this is a mini bus. Only size is different. A mini bus is smaller than bus. Concept clear? A mini bus is smaller than bus. According to book, in buses 50 children can sit. In mini buses 35 children can sit. Now we have 210 children. Okay. Now if they are going by bus, only 4 buses are needed. Okay. Now if mini buses, if they will go in mini buses in which students, only 35 students can sit in one bus. Okay. So number of buses is still same, 4, or it will increase or it will decrease. Tell me. Okay, don't able to answer. Now we will solve it. In one bus 35 children, in one mini bus 35 children, in one bus 50 children. So means 15 children remain na? So it is sure that number of mini buses are going to increase. Okay. How like mini bus 35 children in one bus. We need one bus for 35 children. In second bus again 35 children can sit. So total number 70. But we have 210 children na? Again in third bus 35 children can sit. So 5, 7, 3, 10. 105 children. Again in fourth bus 35 children can sit. 100, 35 and 5, 40. 140 children can sit in fourth bus. Now in fifth bus again we will add. In 140 already sit in 4 buses na? 4 mini buses. Now 35 children can sit in fifth bus. Again we will add 5, 4, 3, 7, 175. In sixth bus again 6. 35 children can sit. 5, 5, 10, 7, 3, 10, and 1, and this is 2. 210 children. How many children we have? 210 children. Now 6 mini buses are needed. In this we can use 4 buses, but we need 6 mini buses for a trip. For the trip, if they will book mini buses, so how many mini buses needed? 6 mini buses needed for going to trip. Okay, I hope you understand this whole concept. What is bus? What is mini bus? Okay, a bus is bigger than mini bus. So in mini bus, less children can sit. Okay, if less children sit in mini bus, so number of mini buses will increase. Okay. Now we are going to talk about further about this trip. I hope you understand the meaning of buses, mini buses, and that whole concept. Why we need more mini buses than buses if we are going by mini buses. Okay. Now leave that topic. Now we will start a new topic. Time. Okay. Time. Whenever we are going from one place to another place, time, we will also take time na. Time also consume na. So, are we able to calculate that time? Do you able? Okay, let's talk about trip. They start their journey at 9 o'clock. Okay, in your math magic textbook, it is already given. 9 o'clock they will start their journey. Okay, if they and the distance from school to Bhopal, if they will start from their journey from their school, and the this is the destination na, Bhopal. If we are going to a trip, we are starting from our school na, and we are going to Magic Planet. Okay, so we will talk from here to means this is destination. Suppose this is our journey place, where we start journey. If we are going to a trip, we will start from school. And what is our destination? Destination is our Magic Planet. So hope you understand this line. This line, the beginning is journey place. Like our school is the where we start the journey. Okay, and the that end point is the destination where we have to reach. Like in Magic Planet, we have to reach. So they have started their journey from school and they have to reach Bhopal. And now there must be some distance between that place na. It is given the distance from school to Bhopal is 70 kilometer. How much distance is? 70 kilometer. Okay, from this point to this point, the distance is 70 kilometer. Now the teacher told them, if they won't stop anywhere, they continue runs on that track, they will take only 2 hours to reach Bhopal. Okay, if they start at 9 o'clock, they will take only 2 hours to cover this 70 kilometer. They will take only 2 hours to cover this 70 kilometer. Okay, if they will start at 9 o'clock, okay, if they will start at 9 o'clock, or which time they will reach at Bhopal? Tell me fast. They take only 2 hours. Count first. Yes, 11 o'clock. They are taking only 2 hours na. So from 9 o'clock they will start their journey. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So they will took only 2 hours to reach the Bhopal. Now the question is, if they will not stop, okay, but they are going to stop at Bhimbetka. Suppose this is their journey place where they will begin the journey starting point, and this is Bhopal, and all of you know the distance is 70 kilometer, but they are going to stop somewhere. Okay, suppose they are going to stop here. They are going to stop at Bhimbetka. Okay, why they are going to stop at Bhimbetka? There are some thing to see there. Means this is also a tourist place. So they want to see that Bhimbetka, and that's why they are going to stop there, Bhimbetka. Okay, now it is 50 kilometer from there where they start the journey. From here to here distance is 50 kilometer. Okay, now question is, you have to just speculate, or you have to just take an idea how much time they will take to reach at Bhimbetka. They to cover a distance of 70 kilometer, they take 2 hours, and options are given in your math magic book. First, before 10 o'clock. Second option, between 10 to 10 o'clock. and 11 o'clock. And third option is after 11 o'clock. Now don't need to do any calculation, any pen work, only just you have to use your normal mind, just use your general knowledge. They took 2 hours to complete the 70 kilometer. Okay, 2 hours they took to complete 70 kilometer from here to here. Okay, now tell me, if they took 2 hours to complete 70 kilometer, in 1 hour how much distance he will cover? In 1 hour, in 2 hours 70 kilometer, so in 1 hour 35 kilometer, means in 2 hours they will cover this whole distance. Okay, this whole distance they will cover in 2 hours. So in 1 hour half distance will cover, na? Half distance. This distance will cover in 1 hour. Yes or no? If they took in to reach, suppose this is the half point. Half point between here to here. So they will cover 1 hour to reach half distance. Another 1 hour to cover another half distance. So this is 50 kilometer, na? 50 kilometer. So more than half distance, because half distance is only 35 kilometer. 70 half 35 kilometer, na? So they will take 1 hour. Now from 9 o'clock to when they will cover half distance, means 35 kilometer, they will cover at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Again here 10. So 10 o'clock they will reach here, but this is Bhimbetka. We need so we will cover more distance. So we will take more than 1 hour. So before 10 o'clock it is not possible to reach at Bhimbetka. So this one is wrong. Before 10 o'clock we can't reach at Bhimbetka. Okay, after 11 o'clock we are not going to stop. 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock we are Bhopal. Where? We are Bhopal. We are Bhopal. So we will miss after 11 o'clock we will miss Bhimbetka. So this answer is also wrong. So answer is between 10 o'clock, means here we are on 10 o'clock and here we are on 11 o'clock. Here is Bhimbetka. So we will take time between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. This is the right answer. So is there any need to do any kind of calculation? No, na? In this way, only using our mind we can find the answer. Understood? This is all for today's class. Hope you understand all these topics and concept in easy way. And I also hope that I am little bit successful, not completely successful, little bit successful to make you understand that math is not a boring subject. Okay, for today's class only this is. Next class we will talk further about this trip. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.